This is a story about a little city called South San Francisco, built next to a bay a long, long time ago. A story about this city and that bay, but in a different time, when storms, floods, earthquakes, and other natural disasters were happening more and more often. A time that would call on all the communities that lived around this bay to share all of their past experiences and make plans for the potential disasters of the future. Together designing ways to become more resilient, becoming resilient by design. And they discovered an answer so simple that they felt like they should have known it all along. The answer was something that they all loved, but sometimes forgot how valuable it could be. The answer was green, and kind of empty, and could be almost anything they needed if they put their mind to it. It was something that made their lives better today, and made them better able to respond to disasters in the future. Although only one bay, its shoreline was diverse and stretched 500 miles, and at its edge had grown lots and lots of cities, some big, some small, but all connected by that one bay. And to find their solution, they first tried to better understand their shared problems. Many communities formed around the creeks that had, in the past, connected them to the bay. But as they grew, they went from green to gray. They started to run out of space. They put more and more water into their creek until it couldn't take it anymore. The rising seas made this an even bigger problem, and earthquakes could make it worse. So they needed to come together. They needed to work together. They decided there need to be more changes in their city. Some changes at certain places to make their city more resilient. Places to improve the flow of water, to pull back into the ground where possible, to slow down its flow, to capture and to reuse. Places to store a lost ecology, more resilient to drought, welcoming back lost birds, butterflies, critters, and fish. Places for their communities, to be healthy and exercise, to ride safely to school and work, and to come together and share experiences. Places of refuge to connect them to each other in a time of need. They imagined the most vulnerable area into the most inspiring in their city, turning a gray river green again. Creating new parks and spaces for play. And connecting from their park all the way to the waterfront. Making a place where they could once again swim in the bay. And protecting against rising tides. This is the story of resilient South City, and this story has only just begun.